health benefits of grapes. Grapes are rich in polyphenolic phytochemical compound resveratrol. Resveratrol is one of the powerful antioxidant which has been found to play a protective role against cancers of colon and prostate, coronary heart disease, CHD, degenerative nerve disease, Alzheimer's disease and viral/fungal infections. Resveratrol reduces stroke risk by altering the molecular mechanisms inside the blood vessels. It does so, firstly by reducing the susceptibility of the blood vessel through decreased activity of angiotensin, a systemic hormone causing blood vessel constriction that would otherwise elevate blood pressure, and secondly, through increased production of vasodilator substance, nitric oxide, a beneficial compound that causes relaxation of blood vessels. Anthocyanins are another class of polyphenolic antioxidants present abundantly in the red grapes. These phytochemicals have been found to have an antiallergic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, as well as anti-cancer activity. Catechins, a type of flavonoid tannin group of antioxidants, discovered in the white, green varieties have also shown to possess these health protective functions. Also, the berries are very low in calories. 100 grams fresh grapes just provide 69 calories but 0 cholesterol levels. Grapes are a rich source of micronutrient minerals like copper, iron, and manganese. Copper and manganese are an essential cofactor of the antioxidant enzyme, superoxide dismutase. Iron is especially concentrated in raisins. Besides, 100 grams of fresh grapes contain about 191 milligrams of health-benefiting electrolyte, potassium. They are an also good source of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, carotenes, B-complex vitamins such as pyridoxine, riboflavin, and thiamine.